To be able to connect your Canon camera to iPhone, open App Store and search for an app called Canon Camera Connect. Open it and make sure the developer is Canon, and then tap on Get to install it, and then tap on Open. Scroll down to the bottom of License Agreement and then tap on Agree. If you already have got a Canon account, tap on Sign In, or you could create an account. Then you get this notification saying that it would like to use myid.canon to sign in. Tap on Continue. You can create an account by just using your email, so tap on Continue with email. Enter your first name, last name, enter your email address, create a password, and then tap on Create My Account. Confirm your email ID. Tap on Continue. Then you will need to get one-time verification code. Go to your email, copy the code, and then paste the code and tap on Confirm. Email address verification is completed now. Tap on Continue, and then this should automatically sign you in into the Camera Connect app. So tap on Next. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Agree, or you could tap on I do not agree. And here the same, you could tap on I do not agree if you don't want to receive notifications. And once again, tap on Don't Allow. And here it is. We have finally got into the app. Tap on the camera plus icon and then search your camera model, for example 200D, and then tap on it to select it. Now you can connect your camera using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I select Wi-Fi. There are some information that you will need to allow this app to access from your iPhone. So tap on Next. First one is to use your location. You can always select Allow while using app. And the next one is to allow to find devices on your local networks. So tap on Allow. Now, turn on your Canon camera and then press the connection button. This would then show you already connected devices if you got any. So tap on the right arrow. Here you could choose what device you want to connect. Tap on the phone icon and then tap on it again to select it. Once again, here shows a list of devices that are already connected. To register a new device, tap on Register a device for connection. Since our device is an iPhone, select iOS. This QR code is useless because we have already installed the correct app. So simply tap on OK. Now your camera would display the Wi-Fi network that you will need to connect to using your phone. So go back to your phone and check camera is now ready to connect, and then tap on Next. iPhone shows the name of the network that your iPhone is already connected to, but now we would need to connect to the Canon's network. So drag down the right hand corner of your iPhone to open the control center, and then tap on the Wi-Fi icon and then hold your finger on the Wi-Fi network again. Then it will show you a list of available networks, and from this list you need to select exactly the same network that's shown on your Canon camera screen. For example, EOS 200D, and as soon as you do that, you can see the screen on your camera changes and it says Start Canon app on the smartphone. Now quickly go back to your Canon Camera Connect app, and then you should get this message saying detect camera, and it should show you the list of the camera. Tap on it and now the camera would start to connect with your app. Then in order to verify it's the same camera, you should get the same code on both on your camera and on your phone, and then tap on OK on your camera. And finally you should get this message saying connection to the camera successful, and then you can tap on Register to register your camera with your Canon ID account. Because we are connected to the Canon camera network, you will need to select Use Mobile Data in order to complete the registration. Now the registration is completed. Tap on OK. Now we are fully connected. You can tap on Shoot, and now remotely you can take videos, photos by simply using your app, or you could select Import Images and view your videos and photos of your Canon camera on your phone. And in order to import it, tap on Import. To be able to import, you will need to give full access to your photos library. And this time, once again, when you tap on Import, you could change these settings. For example, I would like to prioritize saving in RAW format, and I don't want to delete location information. After making the changes, tap on OK, and then it would start importing your video or photo into your phone, and then you can access the video by going to Photo Libraries app, and here is the imported video.